Hi, first graders. Today we're going to work with the partners of 6. The other day we focused on partners of 5. Today it's 6. Last time we talked about partners, we discussed how partners are numbers that we add together to make a total. So today our total is going to be 6. Right now I have, let's count and see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 bean counters on the desk. Beans are a little boring, so let's turn these into pieces of candy. That sounds more exciting. So let's pretend I have 6 pieces of candy on my desk. We're going to work through the partners of 6 by turning these over. Right now, I have 6 red. I have 6 red plus, how many 0 do I have? 0. So right now, the partners that I'm showing are 6 and 0. 6 red plus 0 pieces of candy equals a total of 6. Now I'm going to flip one of these over. I still have 6 beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I still have 6 total, but this time I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red and 1 white. So this time my partners are 5 and 1. Still have a total of 6. Let's flip another one over. Still have 6. I didn't take any away. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 red plus 2 white. So my partners are 4 and 2. Flip another bean. Still have 6 beans there. And I forgot we're calling them pieces of candy. So we still have 6 pieces of candy there. But this time we have 1, 2, 3 red plus 1, 2, 3 white. So our partners are 3 and 3. Total is still 6. Flip another piece of candy over. Still have 6, but this time my partners are going to be 1, 2 red plus 1, 2, 3, 4 white. Flip another piece of candy over. Still have a total of 6. But this time we have 1 red and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white. Flip the last piece of candy over. We still have 6 pieces of candy there. So 6 is still the total. How many red do we have? We have 0 red plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 white. Those are all the partners of 6. Remember, when we're working with the partners in the total, our partners cannot be greater than the total. So a number greater than 6 would be, for example, 7. 7 could never be a partner of 6. 9 could never be a partner of 6. Any number greater than the total cannot be a partner. Okay, now I'm going to show you what you're going to work on today. You're going to get your math workbooks. You're going to turn to page 15. It looks like this. 15's on the bottom. Should be the next page in your math workbook. And we're going to work through the partners of 6. I know you don't have the bean counters at home. If you do, then that would be great, and you could use those, but most of us don't, and that's okay. So we're going to color the circles to show the different partners. Okay, so we're going to start up here, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 circles in all of these rectangle boxes. I'm going to show the partners by coloring some of the circles, writing the partners that it shows here, and then writing the equation out. Down here, I'm going to take the partners that I found up here, and I'm going to plug them into the math mountain. And then I'm going to fill the 6 math train with my partners as well. Let's do the first maybe 2 together. Just going to scooch this up. Okay, I like to work backwards. And you saw with my bean counters or my candy counters that I started with 6 and 0 as partners. but we're not going to use 0 in this situation. We're going to start with a number that's 1 less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 is 1 less than 6. So I'm going to color in 5. 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to say 5 are red and 1 is white. I still have a total of 6. So my partners are 5 and 1. And now I'm going to complete the equation by plugging in those partners. 6 equals 5 plus 1. And that's true because we have 5 red plus 1 white equals a total of 6. Now, if you want, you can finish the top and work your way down your worksheet, or as you're working, once you've found the partner up here, you can go ahead and plug in those partners down at the Math Mountain area and then again down here at the Math Train, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So I just found out that 5 and 1 are partners of 6. So down here, my Math Mountain, I'm going to say 5 and 1 are partners of 6. Remember, the total goes up at the top. And then I'm going to draw my tiny tumblers just to help me check my work. On this side, I'm going to have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On this side, I'm going to have 1, 1. And this shows me 5, 6. 5 and 1 more is a total of 6. I'm going to plug in those partners down here on my number train as well. Okay, let's work backwards. Back up here at the top. Last time I colored in 5, 1 less than 5. What number comes before 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 comes before 5, so I'm just going to color in 4 this time. And I'm going to leave 2 white. So now my partners are 4 red plus the 2 white. Should still have a total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do, so that's going to work. Now I'm going to come over to my equation. 6 equals 4 plus 2. So 4 and 2 are also partners of 6. I'm going to take those partners and plug them into my Math Mountain down here. 6 is still the total. 4, 2. I'm going to draw my tiny tumblers. 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. 2 on this side. 1, 2. Double check my work. 4, 5, 6. Yes, 4 plus 2 equals 6. And I'm going to plug in these partners down here on my math train. Okay, so we did some of this paper together. I'm going to see if you can finish it. I want you to notice once you're finished, I want you to tell your adult if you can figure out what the pattern is. If you continue to work backwards, something's going to happen to the numbers in this column, and something's going to happen to the numbers in this column. That's a pattern. Okay, on the next one, just think, okay, up here I did 4 and 2. What's one number less than 4? Color in that many circles on this third one this time, and then keep working backwards. When you're finished, please take a picture of your Partners of 6 worksheet and submit it on Seesaw.